Hi, I'm Anna Pollard, instructor at MyFunScience.com, and I teach science, technology, and art. In this video, I'd like to introduce you to the astronomy course at MyFunScience. Astronomy is defined as the study of the objects that lie beyond our planet Earth and the processes by which these objects interact with each other. And throughout this course, we emphasize the science is a progress report, one that changes constantly as new techniques and instruments allow us to probe the universe more deeply. We invite you to come along on a series of voyages to explore the universe as astronomers understand it today. Beyond Earth are vast and magnificent realms of objects that have no counterpart on our home planet. Along your journey, you will encounter a canyon system so large that on Earth it would stretch from Los Angeles to Washington, D.C. A crater and other evidence on Earth that tell us that the dinosaurs and many other creatures died because of a cosmic collision. A collapsed star so dense that to duplicate its interior, we would have to squeeze every human being on Earth into a single raindrop. Exploding stars, whose life comes to a violent end. A cannibal galaxy that has already consumed a number of its smaller galaxy neighbors and is not yet finished finding new victims. Such discoveries are what make astronomy such an exciting field for scientists and many others, but you will explore much more than just the objects in our universe and the latest discoveries about them. We will pay equal attention to the process by which we have come to understand the realms beyond Earth and the tools we use to increase that understanding. Why on earth should we continue to explore outer space and astronomy? What's out there? What's in space which we cannot see? Our God created it all. In this course, we will study the history of astronomy, properties of our sun, the structures of stars, the Milky Way galaxy, and many other bodies in our solar system. Observing the night sky and seeing the beautiful world God has created will be an amazing journey. In this course, we will enjoy virtual labs, web quests, hands-on experiments, and activities. I hope you enjoyed this presentation and learned a little bit about our astronomy class at MyFunScience.com. And I hope to see you soon in my class. Thank you so much. God bless.